Hello viewers, if you are looking to buy a third-party iPencil for your iPad 10th generation or your iPad Air, then this video is going to help you. Recently, I have bought Kingone third-party iPencil on Amazon.in at a price point of 1528 rupees after cashback and Amazon Pay offer. You can see the branding will look like this. The MRP of this product is about 6000 rupees. However, the original price is around 2k or 1.7k. You can buy that in that price on Amazon or in Flipkart. On opening this pen, you will get the booklet on top of it. As you can see here, the booklet you can read. Then there is a cable for charging, type C cable, and then there is the Ipencil. As you can see here, this is a third-party Ipencil. Remember that the size of the pen is more than the S Pen that you get in S series tablets. The charging port is actually covered with a rubberized tip. As you can see here, you can pull out like this. This is the type C charging port. Then there is 3 dots that will blink whenever you double tap on the top of this pen. Plus you will get 3 tips extra inside this box and 1 rubberized tip for type C covering. The build quality of this pen seems to be very good. As you can see here, the light is blinking, that means it is on now, and you can turn on and turn off this iPen by tapping on the top. You have to tap twice in this way. Now I will remove the tip and show you. This is the nib by dint of which you can write on iPad. So you will get extra 3 tips. That is great. Now I will write on iPad and give you an overview how is the writing experience on iPad 10th generation. Actually, it doesn't feel so good because I have used S Pen on Samsung tablets, and the experience on Samsung tablets with the original S Pen is much better. Plus, whenever you tap on the display of the iPad using this iPencil, you will feel some kinds of hollow sounds as there is gap between the main display and the touch panel. So you will feel the hollowness whenever you tap on the display. The latency is not as good as Samsung tablets, I must say that. Maybe the original iPen or iPencil may be better, but in this case I can say you that my experience with Samsung tablets is better than this tablet using iPencil of Kingone. However, this is the best pencil that you can buy right now for the third party iPencil because it gives you a better value for your money. Plus, I think in terms of note taking, Samsung has more option. It has Clip Studio, it has write on screen option, okay, it has take screenshot, select screen size. All these things are available on Samsung tablets, but in iPad you can get only notes and you can take screenshot, but sometimes the pen doesn't work whenever you want to close the app on sliding on the top. And also you can see that the magnet on this iPad 10th generation is not so good. It feels very shaky, and whenever I try to attach it, sometimes it falls down like this. So the magnet on this is very minimal space for magnet, so it actually fails to attach the iPencil on the top of it. Though this is not an issue, you can write like this, and also you can, the touch response is good, but there are some delay, I would say, and I can feel some latency issue using this iPencil on iPad 10th generation. However, the experience is altogether good. So if you want to buy a third party pencil, you can buy Kingone because this is the best pencil right now for third party iPencil at this price point. Hope this video has become helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much.